We are very much of the opinion, and we're very much of the philosophy that we can't be everything to everyone. So rather than trying to build our own transcoding workflows and our own media solutions, what we do is we're partnering with a very detailed kind of and vibrant partner ecosystem, including folks like GNL, including folks like Harmonic and Neospace. So Harmonic for transcoding, they're actually powering MSL5, which is our latest and greatest kind of live origin system. We're partnering with companies like Neospace for ad insertion, and even down to hydraulics for things like observability on our platform. So it's really this combination of delivery, so world-leading global CDN combined with highly distributed computing technologies, along with a vibrant partner ecosystem to create kind of a holistic workflow and a holistic ecosystem that gives our customers an alternate, not only an alternative, but an opportunity to start working on new use cases, new workflows, new solutions they may not be able to get on the hyperscaler. And so when you think about all of that stack coming together and you think about these solutions, Akamai can offer a pretty end-to-end workflow with a combination of our own first-party products and a combination of these third-party partners that I had just discussed. So kind of great story, Sean. How does that all get to what we're talking about here today, which is VPU at the edge? And so one of the philosophies and kind of one of the mentalities that we have is we constantly want to be solving challenges for our customers. And as we started diving into this stack and we started getting more and more customers kind of onto this workflow, what we realized is that transcoding is still a problem. And the biggest problem being, the approach to cloud, as companies went from on-prem to in the cloud, they started using the infrastructure that was available to them. And the infrastructure that was available was generalized CPU infrastructure, so just basic CPUs. Well, CPUs are not designed for media workflows. They're designed to be generic systems that you can do any type of compute on. And so where you start getting into complications is when you're doing things like live and you have an aggressive adaptive bitrate ladder. And any missynchronization inside of that kind of transcode profile leads to latency, leads to buffer, could lead to a bad experience. So what is a content provider to do? Today, two options. Option one, I buy bigger and bigger and bigger VMs that are still general purpose, maybe not be as efficient. It's going to get more expensive. Second, I try to figure out how I scale horizontally. I create an abstraction layers and I start sending segments to different CPUs, and now I have compute and I have a whole orchestration system trying to figure out how to organize the transcoding workflow. And it's simply not scalable. And what that means to our customer is cost. It's more VMs, it's more operational complexity, it's more overhead. And one of our goals is to help our customers by kind of eliminating the cost and eliminating some of that complexity.